Hello, fellow techies and friends. Welcome to ProER. The blockchain and crypto sector enjoyed one of its strongest years on record in 2021. Major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum soared to all-time highs, pushing the market past the $2 trillion mark for the first time ever. A host of promising Layer 1 protocols, such as Solana, Avalanche and Polkadot burst onto the scene to claim their place into the spotlight. Meanwhile, Ethereum continued its transition to proof-of-stake and implemented important changes to its gas fee mechanism. Many tech enthusiasts wonder about finding the top blockchain trends for the next year to identify how the technology would evolve further. What will be the new use cases of blockchain? As companies start recognizing the benefits of this technology, we've seen exciting new blockchain developments this past year. Below we'll take a look at 5 of the biggest blockchain trends of 2022. Number 5. Metaverse. For many years, we have been witnessing the possibilities associated with virtual worlds only in science fiction novels. However, the concept of the metaverse has turned into a real phenomenon, with many popular platforms enjoying massive user bases. The metaverse is basically a shared, virtual world that offers immersive experiences. Participants can interact with the metaverse by using their digital avatars. The avatars could help in interacting with each other, creating in-world experiences, objects, and landscapes. The concept of a virtual metaverse has caught the attention of some of the biggest companies worldwide, considering Facebook's $10 billion initiative to rename the company Meta and start developing a metaverse strategy. Microsoft has also unveiled big metaverse plans with Microsoft Mesh, an update to Teams and Xbox consoles that allows people in different physical locations to join collaborative and shared holographic experiences. Experts assume that the metaverse is still far from becoming completely functional as a digital parallel of our real world. However, there are many promising applications in the metaverse which are already enjoying favorable levels of adoption. In 2022, blockchain predictions would focus largely on the potential technological support for the metaverse by big tech companies. The adoption of metaverse games such as the Sandbox and newly developing blockchain projects in the metaverse would highlight 2022. In addition, one can also look out for possibilities of metaverse games offering exclusive benefits as social and investment opportunities. Apart from decentralization, Metaverse also relies on blockchain capabilities for ensuring user governance privileges alongside verifiable provenance. Most important of all, the use of blockchain infrastructure also connects the metaverse economies to the larger crypto economy. Number 4. DeFi. The DeFi space continued to grow, with major players stepping up their game by refining their tech and utilizing scaling solutions to improve efficiency. The latter part of the year saw the emergence of the DeFi 2.0 narrative, which was driven by the rising popularity of a new wave of products. In 2022 this trend is likely to continue, with technology improvements enabling developers to come up with new products and better liquidity models. We are also likely to see the first serious attempts to advance the sector beyond its self-contained bubble and make it more connected to the broader economy. This year we're also likely to see an increased presence of DeFi products on chains other than Ethereum. The success of PancakeSwap on Binance Smart Chain last year showed that while Ethereum is the undisputed leader in the space, it's not the only game in town. Number 3. Blockchain and IoT Integration. Blockchain is hugely compatible with the idea of the Internet of Things, IoT, because it is great for creating records of interactions and transactions between machines. It can potentially help to solve many problems around security as well as scalability due to the automated, encrypted, and immutable nature of blockchain ledgers and databases. It could even be used for machine-to-machine transactions, enabling micropayments to be made via cryptocurrencies when one machine or network needs to procure services from another. While this is an advanced use case that may involve us traveling a little further down the road before it impacts our day-to-day lives, It's likely we will start to hear about more pilot projects and initial use cases in this field during 2022. Innovation in this field is likely to be driven by the ongoing rollout of 5G networks, meaning greater connectivity between all manner of smart, networked equipment and appliances. Not simply in terms of speed, but also new types of data transactions including blockchain transactions. Stay tuned till the end and give the video a thumbs up while you also smash the subscription. Number 2, NFT. In 2022, we anticipate that the market will continue to grow, as developers continue to advance the technology forward. And while art-focused projects are going nowhere, 2022 is also likely to bring an increased emphasis on utility, which would further boost the appeal of NFTs. As more and more things go from physical to digital, the NFT marketplace provides users with the ability to assert their property rights over a digital asset. NFTs in gaming are starting to take off in a big way. Monster breeding game 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 Infinity allows players to mint their own NFT creatures to send into battle and currently has around 300,000 concurrent players. Interestingly, the concept of NFTs has discovered some promising use cases in the world of music now. Many renowned artists such as Grimes, Kings of Leon, and Shawn Mendes have released their tracks as NFTs. The applications of NFT in fashion would also be one of the critical highlights in blockchain future applications and use cases. Notable brands such as Nike and Dolce & Gabbana have created footwear and clothing with NFTs. Vogue has also launched 2 digital covers as NFTs in its September edition, marking the fashion magazine's entry into the Metaverse. Beyond magazine covers, philanthropy is also proving to be a compatible use case for NFTs. The founder of Visualize Value, Jack Butcher, has created an NFT fund to help Afghan families affected by the recent conflict. Each NFT was priced at 0.028 ETH, or $89.50, covering the emergency needs of a family for an entire month. Number 1. Green blockchain initiatives. The energy consumption of cryptocurrency is in the crosshairs, notably with China banning crypto mining. Bitcoin's high energy consumption was especially scrutinized with its proof-of-work consensus algorithm. Electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla has suspended Bitcoin payments due to Bitcoin mining's reliance on fossil fuels until the network is secured by more sustainable energy sources. These developments, paired with efforts to reach net zero carbon emissions by 2050, have given rise to numerous incentives aiming to make blockchain greener. One of the projects making the blockchain space more sustainable is the Crypto Climate Accord, a joint effort that includes the World Economic Forum, Ripple and Consensus, aiming to reach net zero crypto emissions by 2040. This private sector-led initiative aims to decarbonize the blockchain industry and make crypto 100% reliant on renewable energy by 2025. In 2022, we'll likely see an increased focus on alleviating that problem, especially through the implementation of more eco-friendly algorithms like proof-of-stake. For example, Ethereum's move to implement POS is in part driven by a desire to make the platform more environmentally friendly. The rest of the blockchain space is also seeking to become greener, to further complement global net zero carbon emission goals and make the industry more sustainable. While the next wave of developments is impossible to predict in the rapidly shifting world of blockchain, the above-mentioned 5 trends will likely remain prevalent in the next year. As blockchain is proving its utility in healthcare and supply chain management, further adaptations of the technology will likely emerge as companies gain more trust in it. In addition, blockchain-based supply chains will help the world better prepare for future health crises, by creating more transparency and efficiency in logistics. As the top DeFi platforms are chiseling their smart contract algorithms, these may also see increased adoption as corporations realize their potential in cutting costs and streamlining complex processes like payroll and financial data recording. Lastly, El Salvador's adoption of Bitcoin may inspire other countries to follow suit. El Salvador isn't the only country to grapple with high international remittance fees and a large unbanked population, which it addressed by adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. This may be a historical turning point for blockchain and cryptocurrency adoption, especially as the design of Bitcoin incentivizes the early adopters. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the videos and contents, please like, comment and subscribe our channel.